Hi there, I'm Kelly from Lana. Did you know that 60% of people open text messages within 2 to 5 minutes of receiving them? Wouldn't that be great if we could promote our services or products directly through SMS? Well, you can with Lana, so I'm going to show you how you can mass SMS your customers directly through the Lana app via your mobile or Lana on desktop. Logged into my Lana dashboard here, I want to go over to the left hand side, go onto Contacts, Contact Smart Lists, and then I want to ensure all of my contacts that I want to SMS have a valid phone number attached to their Lana profile. So it may be that you have to go in and manually add that phone number if you would like to contact them via SMS. From here, you can simply select the people by checking the tick box next to their name, or if you would like to select everyone in your list, you can simply tick this box up the very top, which is next to name. And as you can see, I've selected 19 records and I have 19 records on hand. Alternatively, if I want to send a SMS to a selected group or a tagged group or a specific audience that I have filtered out previously, I can simply go into More Filters, Tag, select my tag, which is General. So I want to filter anyone that is in General. If you have, say, for example, a seasonal promotion or a maintenance that is required every 6 months, then you may have tagged these people as under maintenance and you can select these tags accordingly. So as you can see, it's brought up 3 contacts, which is listed under the tag of General, and then I can just simply click this box on the left hand side here next to name and then simply send an SMS. So that's the 4th button from the left, which looks like a little SMS bubble. Then it will bring up a notice to say that it will be performed in a drip campaign so that we don't run into spam issues. So we press OK, proceed. From here, you can simply type in whatever message you want, or if you have an SMS template ready on hand, you can simply select that as well. So for the purpose of this video, I'll select the Google review one. So as you can see, hi, so-and-so first name. We'd love to share your review with us, share your experience with us, and leave us a 5-star Google review. So from here, all you have to do is click send SMS, or you can schedule this SMS. Say for example, if you are doing this late at night and you would like to schedule it for 9 a.m. in the morning, you can do so. And then you would just want to enter a description just to say test demo SMS or for head office purposes. As you can see, it's been scheduled and you can click here to check the process. I can view all my actions being processed. As you can see, they're being queued, and then once they're complete, they will be showing as success. So as you can see, it's gone through as completed. So send test demo SMS, as you can see, that's all been done. And I can bring up the stats. I can see how many's been delivered. So that's everything you need to know about SMSing your customers via Lana.